Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an Inku unboxing video for you, and it is the March box. This is going to be a great time for stationery boxes because it's spring in the northern hemisphere, or Japan specifically, and that usually means lots and lots of Sakura themed items. So let's just get right into it. I'm already really excited. I can see a lot of Sakura. So I'll pick this one first because I think it came undone. Oh, it's a whiteout tape. And it's really thin as well. The whiteout tape I currently use, this is my current go-to whiteout tape. Also same brand, Mono Tombow. I think this is Tombow as well. But this is a bit thicker. It's like 5mm. But this says 5mm too, but it doesn't look as thick. I don't know. Maybe it's just an optical illusion. Then we have these friction. They're like friction pastel highlighters. I'll try them at the end of the video. Oh my gosh, Pachaca. This was like probably one of my favorite characters in the Sanrio line when I was a teenager. And you don't see many Pachaca related stuff now. It's been taken over by all the more modern or recent characters. Pachaca is like old school. I'm actually really happy. So these look like sticky notes, but it's like a rolling sticky note. You can like pull this up, write notes on here, and then roll it up and then just sit it on your desk, which is kind of cool. Yeah, there you go. It's like a little slit here for you to roll it up. Wow, that is unexpected, but one way to get someone's attention. Some washi tape. This is really thick. Like, it looks really thick washi tape. Whoa, it's like an inch. Yeah, 25mm. Okay, wow, that is it's really big for washi tape, to be honest, from what I'm usually see, but it's a beautiful pattern on it as well. We have sticker flakes. I mean, I didn't think it would be complete without some sort of sticker flakes, so these are the ones you get here. It looks like you can actually write on these ones. So you can put little notes, and these are more decorative. I'm just gonna open it because I'm curious to know what sort of paper it's made out of. So, well, they're actually quite big. Okay, they look like just regular paper, which makes sense. If you're gonna be able to write on it, you probably don't want to have like plastic or anything like that. Yeah, it's just regular paper. And they're massive. Like, in comparison to what you'd usually see if you've been watching my channel for a while, these are huge in comparison to most sticker flakes. Alright, I'm not going to take them all out because I'll leave a mess, put them aside. And then, what is... Oh, okay. There's a pencil here. Oh, this is a really beautiful pencil. It's like pink with glitter all over it. It's really nice. Then this last one, it feels like it's kind of stuck a little bit in the box. It's really big. What is this? Sakura message board. Message board style cards are often used to group share with someone best wishes to celebrate. Huh. Okay. I guess maybe you leave messages on here. It's like a card, right? That's what it feels like. Oh, okay. And there's these little pieces of paper here. There's like perforated edges. So you've got like 9. I think you've got a few sheets in there. And you can write little messages and then I guess pin them on here. That's kind of cool. Really unique. I guess this is good for like farewell cards or big cards where multiple people are signing it. That's kind of nice. And we have to have these cards often for work because usually we have people resigning or people going on like extended leave and stuff like that. But I'm not sure my team would want to use such a like pink card. It's not really their vibe. That is everything in Inku. I'm going to try out these highlighters. I'm coming to the end of this notebook, which I think I got in a Zen Pop probably 2 years ago now. So it's lasted a good while, but I probably only have like a few sheets left in it, and then I'm gonna have to get a new one, which you've seen enough unboxing videos to know that I have plenty. All right, so there are 3 highlighters here. You've got a mint, yellow, and pink. So in no particular order. Oh, these are like, not as pastel as I thought they were going to be. A little bit more vibrant. Although on camera they kind of look pastel, so I don't know. This is too fluorescent for me. But yeah, that's what they look like. And then, I don't know if I have to wait for the ink to dry, but like friction, you use the back of this just to erase it, so there we go. My not so coordinated version, but yeah, that's essentially how it works. And that is, did I need to test anything else? No, that's it. So that's everything in March's Inku unboxing video. Let me know what you guys think. I love the theme, but some of these items were hit and miss for me, to be honest. I'm really excited to see what the other boxes bring. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.